I am Pastor Grace Donald, and it's nice seeing you here again. Thank you for watching Graceful Channel. Thank you for watching the program Graceful Cakes. Thanks for all the likes. Thanks for all the shares and the subscription. Please, if you have not subscribed to this video, to this channel, please subscribe quickly by pressing the subscribe button, the red button on your screen. You press that and then you turn on the notification. Touch the bell. So every time you do a video on decoration, you'll be the first to see it, the first to know about it. So today, follow me closely. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different from the usual that you have seen in our previous videos. Today we're going to be dressing a double-step cake, two-step cake. So we're going to take it one after the other. Remember that the first stage to cake decoration is to shape your cake properly, and I've done that for you, as you can see. Alright, so if you want to know how to shape your cake, you can make your comments on this video and request for it, and then we'll show you how to shape your cakes correctly. Alright, so today, like I've told you before, that you can cover your cake with different things. You can use little touches of water, you can use jam, or you can use frost. Today I'm using jam to cover this cake. Welcome back. So now we add the two layers of the cake, well covered with grey. It's not the end of the decoration. We're still going to add other colors that will bring it out and make it more beautiful. Now, there's something about color combinations when it comes to decorating the cake. You need to know the right colors. You need to be creative about your colors. You need to be very, very good with color combinations. So color combination is another thing when it comes to cake decoration. I think we'll have time to talk about that some other time, but if particularly or specifically you want me to do a video on the best colors that combine well, you know, the colors that combines best, the colors that combine best, just let me know. Drop a comment on this video and we'll see how we can get you a video that will teach you on how to combine your colors correctly. All right, so let's continue with adding beauty to this cake. Stay with us and don't go away.